we are going to discuss about how to create an image in Power BI, how to add the image in Power BI. So for that, we have image settings in insert tab. So you can click this image button. So when you are clicking this image, it will connect you in your local disk. So to upload the image, so I'm going to upload some small image. Okay, so it was loaded here. It was loaded, and if you want to, place some image like this, and you can add, or otherwise you can, if it is company logo, you can make it small and you can place it somewhere, or you can place somewhere like this. Likewise also we can add. It's up to you. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, here I'm using as a logo, okay, or home tab, something like that. So in previous class we have discussed about how to jump on next sheet, so page navigation, right? So so we have created this shape, and we have it is when you are clicking control plus click, and it will jump on to city wise performance tab. So when we are in city wise performance, how to go back, how to go back. Similarly, you can create some buttons and shapes, and you can jump back to the home screen. That is also fine. But now I'm going to create some home button like this. In this, I'm going to move on to the home tab. So for that, what I'm going to do is, I will just delete this one. Okay, I'll just copy this image, and first I'll just give the heading. I'll just copy this text box and paste it here. So we can use shortcuts. Copy and paste it here. Oh, image copied. Okay. Yeah, title copied. Same second sheet. So I have copy pasted the heading, and I'm going to use as a this particular image as a home tab logo. So for that, so when I'm clicking this image, automatically this image settings will open. So in this, first it is showing scaling, normal scaling, or this is the normal scaling. If you want to fit, it should be like this, and if you want to fill, it should be like this. So the it is scaling of the image. And in previous class we have discussed about action tab, right? So see here also in image settings also we have action tab. So I'm going to use as a logo. I'm just minimize it, and I'm placing it somewhere. Okay, then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create an action for this particular image. Now the text box is selecting. I'll just reduce it. Okay. And I'm just clicking on this image. Now the action settings coming for me. Now I'm going to create action tab, and then same method we are going to follow, page navigation, and we are moving on to home tab. Now we are in city wise performance tab, and I want to move to home tab with the help of this home logo. Okay, so for that, now I have created action. So when I'm having a cursor, it is showing like control click here to follow the link. When I'm clicking this control plus click arrow, it will automatically jump onto home tab. So now we are in home tab. Is it clear? Thanks for watching.